Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Facebook story. So I'm going to just open the Facebook app first, and here to add the story, I'm going to click on the create story option, and here I'm gonna choose a photo that I want to add to my Facebook story, for example this one. And then here to find the music, you can just click on music, and then here you can just type in the name of artist, the title of the songs, or I'm going to show just find a keyword on coffee based on my photo. And then if you want to preview, you can just play the song first like this. I'm going to mute that. Okay, for example, I want to add this one, and then you can also adjust the position of the song, and also you can change the appearance into lyrics or like this. Okay, I'm going to just use this one, and then after that just click on done. And if you want to share it, just click on share. Oops, share, and it's now processing. Okay guys, so that is how you can add music to your Facebook story. It's so easy, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.